I want to share a story. A story, I believe, that will truly touch your heart. It's the story of a brave young girl named Jovia, from Uganda. She attends our Harvest of Hope school at Powick. Now, Jovia's life hasn't been easy. From birth, she struggled with a painful condition, castor worms in her ear. This not only affected her hearing, but her whole well-being and ability to thrive in school. But then, something amazing happened. Amigos Internacionales learned about Jovia's condition and knew we had to act quickly. Thanks to the incredible generosity of our donors and supporters, we were able to fund the critical surgery she so desperately needed. And guess what? Today, Jovia is completely healed. The surgery was a complete success and her hearing has been fully restored. This has allowed her to return to school, where she can now participate fully in her education, free from the burden of her previous condition. Jovia's story is a powerful reminder of the impact that timely medical intervention can have on a child's life. It inspires us to look ahead and consider the future needs of the communities we serve. Seeing the difference this surgery made in her life has reinforced our belief that access to medical care is essential. That's why we're committed to including a medical clinic as part of every mission point we establish in the future. This initiative will ensure that children and families in these communities have the healthcare support they need, right where they live. We are so grateful for your continued support, which enables us to make a difference in the lives of children like Jovia every day. Together, we're overcoming challenges and giving these children the opportunity to live healthy, fulfilling lives. Join us in making more miracles happen. Visit Amigos Internacionales at www.amigosi.org. Thank you.